Hey guys, it's Frank from Bangin Gears. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be video number 1 of 4 from Cruisin Ocean City, Maryland 2020. Obviously, we're not in Ocean City, Maryland. But that doesn't mean we can't have a little fun. So what I did was I took some extra footage I had last year and I recut everything with new editing and new music. And we're still going to be pumping out a video for the next 4 days. New video Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So make sure you come back and check them out. And we're still going to be doing giveaways. Today's giveaway is going to be this Bangin Gears baseball cap and a COVID-19 Bangin Gears mask we had made. To be eligible to win, you must be subscribed to the Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on today's video, and that'll put you in the running to win the hat and the mask. So sit back, relax, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.